I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing strong.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me.
We were admiring the beautiful campground and the beautiful beach when suddenly we spotted them. Let's run! We go see the dolphins! Quick! Wait for us, guys!
Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow, whoa. This could be magical. Wow, whoa.
And if this wasn't magical enough, we turned around and saw this amazing rainbow. How lucky are we to be on this planet?
To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car.
We are early today because we got some big guys to feed this morning. It's freezing, but we're excited. The feeling you get when you're looking into their eyes is hard to describe. You feel peace and serenity. You feel connected directly to the universe just for a few seconds. Back in the van now, and it's much warmer because it's cold and windy there, and we were standing ankle deep in the water, which was pretty freezing, but after a while your feet go numb, so it wasn't so bad, I suppose. And it was worth it to see the beautiful dolphins come really close. We saw them about a meter away. You're not allowed to touch them, of course, but about a meter away is pretty insane. And we saw their eyes, they looked at us. I think one of them winked at Pete. It was a magical experience, really worth doing. If you can come here, come and do it.